What if I told you that Apple's next flagship has already been exposed months before its official launch? Not through a small rumor, not from a random insider, but through one of the biggest leaks in Apple's history. Thousands of confidential files, engineering documents, prototype details, testing records, all reportedly revealed after a massive cyber attack. And now the iPhone 18 Pro is already making headlines long before Apple steps onto the stage. According to the latest reports, Apple's manufacturing partner Tata Electronics was hit by a serious cyber attack. The attackers allegedly gained access to more than 200,000 internal files connected to Apple's supply chain. That number is huge. These files reportedly include component details, internal design documents, hardware specifications, and information about upcoming features. This is not just another small leak from the supply chain. It is being described as one of the largest Apple-related data breaches ever. This incident also raises an important concern. In today's digital world, even the biggest technology companies are not completely safe. Apple depends on manufacturing partners across different countries. If just one partner faces a security failure, sensitive product information can leak online months before launch. Because of this situation, both Apple and Tata Electronics are expected to improve their cybersecurity systems. This leak is not just about a phone. It is also a reminder that global supply chains are more connected and more vulnerable than ever before. Now let's talk about what the leaked documents reveal about the iPhone 18 Pro. If you were expecting a completely new design, you might feel slightly disappointed. Apple is reportedly sticking with its flat-sided design. The overall shape of the phone will remain very similar to the previous generation. Apple seems confident that its current design language still works. Instead of introducing dramatic changes, the company is focusing on refinement. However, there are still noticeable updates. The biggest visual change is expected to be the rear camera module. Reports suggest that the camera bump will become slightly taller. The protective rings around each camera lens may also become thicker. This could give the phone a more bold and powerful appearance. But it is not only about looks. Thicker rings could help protect the lenses from scratches and accidental drops, improving durability. Apple is also expected to continue using a titanium frame for the iPhone 18 Pro. Titanium has already proven to be lighter and stronger than stainless steel. It gives the device a premium feel while also improving strength. Apple seems satisfied with this material choice and is continuing with it for another generation. Interestingly, the phone may become slightly thicker and a little heavier. At first, that might not sound exciting, but there could be a good reason behind it. A thicker body usually allows more internal space. That extra space can be used for a bigger battery, improved cooling systems, or upgraded internal components. If Apple is increasing the thickness for better performance and longer battery life, many users may welcome that change. Another important detail is the USB-C charging port. After finally moving away from the Lightning connector, Apple appears fully committed to USB-C. This makes charging and data transfer more convenient across multiple devices. It also aligns the iPhone with modern global standards. The triple camera setup is expected to remain, but the biggest upgrades may happen inside the camera system. According to the leaks, Apple is working on larger camera sensors. Larger sensors capture more light. More light means brighter photos, better low-light performance, and improved detail. Whether you are taking casual photos or creating professional content, these upgrades could make a noticeable difference. There are also reports of improved lens stabilization. Better stabilization reduces blur caused by hand movement. It also helps create smoother video recording. Combined with upgraded optics, the iPhone 18 Pro could once again become one of the strongest camera smartphones in the market. Of course, all these improvements may come with a higher price. Several reports suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro could become Apple's most expensive Pro model yet. Premium materials like titanium, advanced camera sensors, improved memory, and rising manufacturing costs may all contribute to a price increase. This trend is not limited to Apple. Across the smartphone industry, advanced technology is pushing production costs higher. Looking at everything together, Apple's strategy becomes clear. The company is not chasing dramatic redesigns every year. Instead, it is focusing on steady improvements, better cameras, stronger materials, improved durability, more refined performance. Apple believes that small but meaningful upgrades create a better long-term user experience. In my opinion, this approach makes sense. Many users do not need a completely new design every year. What they want is better battery life, stronger build quality, and improved cameras. If the leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could deliver exactly that. Yes, the price might be higher, but for users who want the best Apple has to offer, these upgrades could justify the cost. The iPhone 18 Pro is still months away from its official announcement, and details could change. But if these leaks are true, Apple is preparing a flagship that focuses on power, durability, and camera excellence rather than flashy redesigns. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.